Hi everyone, this is Abel from Best Landscape and Construction. Take a look of this paver driveway, concrete driveway and walkway that we are building here in Rockville, Maryland. As you can see here, we have this nice driveway. We are using a Teco block paver. This is the blue 80 in shell gray color. We are also using a nice midnight 6x9 border. This is a nice driveway with an angle on both sides, and customer will be able to park 2 cars here. So as you can see there, guys, they are installing the border. Really nice driveway. This is really a long driveway. As you can see there, it looks really nice. So we have a paver driveway at the front of the property, and then we build a concrete driveway at the back of the property. This is really a long driveway. They're gonna be able to park like 3 cars back here. As you can see, really nice concrete driveway, and we have the garage at the back of the property. We have the garage there, nice concrete driveway at the back, and then with the paver driveway at the front. We also have this short walkway here to access to the side door. We built this concrete slab here, almost level. They're gonna put a trash can there. So as you can see, this is really nice paver driveway built with a Teco block paver, the blue 80 and shell gray. Here at the front, we start to work on the steps. As you can see there, the guy already built the step. We're gonna build a paver walkway, and we're going to wrap it up, the step and the stoop, with a block, nice gray block. So this is really nice project here in Rockville. Again, if you are planning to replace, build a new concrete driveway, walkway, we specialize on that. Thank you for watching this video. This is Abel from Best Landscape and Construction.